Well, hey there. Did you hear about that forecast for today? I think you did. And I know that's why you're here, because you heard it's going to rain. And so did I. So we've got the tarp and we've got the chair. We have food and beverages. So we're ready to go, folks. We're ready to hunker down for a little bit for today and just enjoy when the rains descend from the sky and go pitter patter, pitter patter. We're going to hear a little bit of that music from the sky. You know what I'm saying? Hey everyone, it is the Nature Man. Thanks for tuning in to this adventure today. And as you can see, I'm already getting silly, but that's okay because when you're in the woods, you're allowed to be silly. After all, you're amongst the trees and they don't judge. So, we're going to have a great time today. I know it's supposed to rain, that is in the forecast. A little bit light, heavy, maybe light again, we'll see. But we have the tarp set up as I mentioned, and we're going to hunker down and just relax and just enjoy a nice, soothing, calm, and relaxing day. And yeah, let's get it underway. All right, so the first thing we got to do is get our alcohol stove going so we can brew up some hot coffee. And then we have our rice to make for today as well. Ah, that heat feels good. It's about 45-ish degrees today, so that warmth from that fire does feel good. I think we should be good. I don't think it will go out now. Oh, it did go out. Oh, we got to try that again, folks. All right, so here's a little trick for you. If you got a big layer and it's kind of hard to get into there with this because the tilt, just take a stick, dip it into the alcohol. Ooh, look at that. Instant. So if you don't have one of those extra long fire sticks, that'll work. It didn't have enough time to bloom, so got to give it another try. Got to give it some more time to bloom, folks. Alrighty folks, your eyes are not deceiving you. Yes, I placed the stainless steel cup on the ground. The reason for that is I want to see if we get enough rain to rinse out the cup so I don't have to use the water that's in my backpack. But if I do need to use that water, I will, to rinse out the cup and clean it. It still is not pouring. We've had a little bit of rain in the sense that just enough to get some droplets on the tarp, but nothing substantial. So I'm still waiting for that. I'm going to give it about another hour, and then if not, I'll pack up and head on out. I was really hoping for a rainy day adventure, but it just seems like the rain keeps pushing later on in the day. And it is getting cooler. It's in the 40s today as compared to yesterday, which was in the high 60s. It was like a 67-degree day. Beautiful day. Sun was shining. Absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, I wanted to get out here and see if I could do some rain video of some sort. But Mother Nature always has a different set of plans for us. Right now it's just getting colder and no rain. Anyways, we'll see what happens. If not, like I said, I'll just pack up and head on out. So let's see what Mother Nature brings us. Alrighty folks, I've been out here for just a little while and contemplating what my next move will be. The temperature is dropping, that's for sure. It's like 45-ish degrees right now, and I'm starting to feel it. And it really hasn't been raining. It's been sprinkling here and there, but nothing crazy. So I think what I'm going to do is get all my stuff packed up, break down the tarp, and head on out. The reason for that is, like I said, it's getting colder. It's getting cold, and it's just like that damp, raw coldness in the air. And I certainly don't want to be out here and get soaking wet and be cold. I mentioned to you all that before. That's not a smart move. So this is how it's been, folks. Just little pitter patter here and there. But anyways, all right folks, with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed this adventure today, whatever it may be when you guys watch it. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Mother Nature just doing her thing. As always folks, get out there, enjoy every moment of life, explore our world. Take care. Pitter patter, pitter patter. God bless. I'll see you very soon.